Hello everybody and welcome to Everything Sports Cards. Today I have a Topps Baseball 2017 Series 2 box from Target with $10 coupons inside. This was $19.99 and let's get right into it. So we're looking for that today. Clayton Kershaw Independence Day insert, and Kershaw on the box back here. Look for exclusive Home Run Derby champ cards inside. On the side, some more information. Look inside for ultimate card giveaway, and there are the odds if you want to pause that and read that there. Alright, so let's get right into the box. There it is. So here's the bonus pack. Or this is the Independence Day patch card right here. This box there is 7 packs inside with a bonus pack, so that's 8 packs. Or no, there's 10 packs plus an Independence Day patch, which is this. And we have a checklist, I believe. Or no, these are the coupons to Target. Over $10 coupons inside when you buy this from Target, and push those to the side and get right into it. So starting off, we have Joc Pederson, Colin McHugh, have Pablo Sandoval, have All-Star David Ortiz, have a Ichiro 500 career stolen bases milestones, Topps milestones right here. Have a 2005 Home Run Derby champion Bobby Abreu card right there. You have Jeff S. Don't know how to say his name, I'm sorry. There. We have Tony Wolters, George Polanco, and Tyler Sorry. Moving on to the next pack. We got Ketel Marte, Jason Castro, Milwaukee Brewers team card. We got They Got Hops 2016 Indians Leap to the Top card. Got Buster Posey All-Star. Got Tony Kemp. We have Ben Gibbard, Kenley Jansen, Noah Syndergaard, and Matt Wieters. And that Tony Kemp is actually a refractor, I believe, is what that's called. Not really good on the names. Alright. Moving on to the next pack. And we have Blake Seahart, Jose Reyes, Matt Carpenter, Brandon Maurer, George Alfred, Robinson Cano Independence Day, Mir Garrett, Ender Incaarte, Rich Hill, Cam Bedrosen, and seems like I got, what is this? A show access pass, or 10 standard packs in the show. I don't have a PS4, so any of you can use that code right there. Alright, moving on to the next pack. Get right into it with Kehoe Ura, Stephen Watt, Brad Ziegler, Drew Storen, Luis Severino, and an all-time All-Star Bob Feller. We have a 2012 Home Run Derby champ, Prince Fielder. Michael Taylor. Andrew Miller. And Siwong Hachu. Sorry if I pronounced his name wrong. Sorry if I pronounce any of these guys' names wrong. On to the next pack. We have Cody Allen, Ian Kinsler, Melky Cabrera. We have Adam Jones. We have a memorable moments. Nolan Ryan signs $1 million deal. On the back. Have a Nolan Arenado Independence Day. Wally Backman. A Matt Olson. A Roberto Ozuna, Jose Iglesias, and Devon Travis. Next pack. This one's kind of hard to open. Usually when they're hard for me to open, it means there's a hit. Hopefully that is the case. I'm just gonna grab out handy dandy scissors and cut open the pack. Alright. We have Chad Bettis, DJ LeMahieu, AJ Pollock, Roberto Perez, Jacob deGrom, throwback jersey, Jose Abreu, Independence Day, Miracu Cabrera, Michael Conforto, Adam Rosales, and Kelby Tomlinson. Alright, so now we have 4 packs left. Let's open this up. And have Michael Lorenz, Vince Valquez, oops, my bad, couldn't see that, Chesler Cuthbert, have Lonnie Chisenhall, Zach Wheeler, all-time All-Star, Barry Larkin, Will Myers, Jared Dyson, and Dexter Fowler. Oops, got away. And now we have 3 packs left to open. Starting off with Mike Pfeiffer's, Yasmani Grandal, Michael Brantley, Andreas Blanco, Greg Maddux, a Jose Bautista 300 career home run card, a Yonder Alonso, Robinson Cano, Chase Anderson, and Sam Dyson. Next pack. This one's a little hard to open, so I'll get the handy dandy scissors out. And let's get into it. Brandon Phillips, Cody Ashe, Alex Cobb, Atlanta Braves team card. Have a Jarhel Cotton rookie card. David Ortiz Independence Day. Jose Martinez, Hunter Pence, Adam Frazier, Jabari Blash, and a Topps Now So win free Topps Now cards. And last pack, and then we'll open that Independence Day pack. So we have Julio Urias, Adrelton Simmons, Eric Thames, Philip Rivera, Ragand Odor, Memorable Moments, Carlton Fisk, World Series Game 6 walk-off, Evan Longoria, Independence Day, George Alfredo, Anguna Suarez, and Matt Garza. So that is it for the packs. Now we will move on to the one exclusive Independence Day MLB silhouetted batter logo patch card inside. So there we go. Here's the card. And it is Mookie Betts from the Boston Red Sox. See there. Congratulations, you have received an Independence Day MLB silhouetted batter logo patch card from 2017 Topps Series 2. Pretty cool. Alright, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you all in the next video, which will be Topps Bud.